Hello friends, today we will see how to create a hello bar using DIVI theme builder. So it is kind of a handy thing when you are running a sales promotion or you want to gather more leads and more email ID for your marketing campaign. So what we are going to do is today is like we are going to make this kind of make this kind of hello bar as I have created on my website. So let's directly go to our DB website. So let me just log into my website, and I am using my tutorial website. So what we have to do is go to theme builder. Now what you will get is there is a three option: global theme, add global header, add a global body, add a global footer. So I will give you overview what it actually means. Add a global header means like whole through your website this header will be followed, and same goes to with the body. If you make a one body, so all the mid section of your website will have same content, and same goes to the footer. So in our case we only require the global header thing because we want that sales promotional hello bar to be shown on every pages on our website. So let's add that global, build a global header. So it is loading. I don't know why DB loading time is getting too much nowadays after updating to new latest version. So I think Elegant Theme need to work on their theme, their loading speed. So let's build from the scratch, and what we do is like, as you can see on my website, there is a one row and there is a two columns. So what we will do is like, first of all we have already taken a section, and then we will select a row, and in this case what we will do is like we want a button on a right hand side. So let's take this one grid, this column. So now here we will do text module. So let me just copy from my website what actually it is. So let's paste over here and leave it. If you let me just customize this heading and give it a style something. Let's select Roboto font and bold and little bit bold. Okay, it's okay. And let's just add a button over here. So let me just name it, let me just make it save a spot, and let's just design this button, just style it, go to the design section and then customize it. Let me just give it black and text white because we are going to use a red background. So let me just give a radius to this thing, and before that let me just add this thing, give a background. Let me just add a red background, and let's just give a font color white. Okay, so now as you can see our something, what we will do is like just remove this extra padding from above and footer. We want to make it now we want to just adjust this text to a single line. So what we will do is like we will go to the raw setting, and in the design section In the sizing, what we will do is like we will just increase the width of this row. So let me just increase it to 85 would okay, and just increase the maximum width. Okay, now it's okay. Let me just keep it 25. Just leave it 1025. Okay, and now we want to remove the extra, extra gutter space. So let's just remove it. Make it 2. Oh, 2 is okay. And now just head to the button section and align this button to the left side. And so what we can do is like so we have enough space. So now we can just we can increase little bit, text size. Okay, no, we can't increase, so it's breaking. So let's just keep it over here only. So let's just move this button alignment to the middle. Okay, now it's okay, and as you can see, it is fine. And just remove this extra padding and kind of thing. Let me just reduce a little bit text button text size, make it to 18. So let's make it to 18, and now it's our kind of thing have worked. So on phone this will look like this. And so, and one more thing we have to do is like we have to fix this thing to fix header like this. When we are scrolling, still this top header is fixed. So what we have to do is like we have to go to settings, section settings, and in advanced, and we have to go to position, and then we have to select the fix option. Okay, and just increase the Z index to kind of 5, because if you just what actually it will do is it will whenever there is a section which has a Z index is 0, so it will always keep that section up to that. So just increase to 5 and this will work. And let's exit it and let's just check it over phone. Let me just align this text to centrally align on my phone. So what we will do is like we will go to the phone and in alignment settings, wait. Okay, text alignment, just select the mobile module and keep it in mobile, and it's perfect. And just save it, and let's just see whether the fix. Let's just exit from here. Okay, and make the save changes here. And now let's just check our header how it is looking. So as you can see right now, still this thing is coming in two lines. So let me just go to again to the theme builder and head over to here and just edit it. Sometime it's you need to just check it whether it is working. Sometime it shows here, but on back end it doesn't shows, on front end it doesn't show. So there is some kind of problem with the DIVI builder. So hope in future we would not see this kind of thing. So let's just save it and exit. All saves are changed. Let's refresh this page. So as you can see now it is perfectly, and you can see if you are scrolling, that is fixed and this thing is going down, as I have not added any module over here or any section over, but it is working perfect. So hopefully you have enjoyed watching this video. Do subscribe to this channel, and in future more tutorial video are coming on this channel. Stay tuned and thanks.